Okay, let's give it a pause there. Now let's rewind it back and put background blur. Now this is actually good. Now you can be able to achieve depth of field, that is background blur, in your videos even without using an expensive camera or without using an expensive phone, maybe the iPhone 13 upwards that has the cinematic mode. And yes, you can be able to add this background blur on your Capcut, and you can be able to increase the intensity or decrease the intensity. You saw how that went. Increase the intensity or decrease the intensity. Now you can be able to do this both on your mobile phone or on your laptop phone, that is the Capcut on your mobile phone or on Capcut's PC. Let me show you how you can be able to do this quickly and easily. First things first, to import your video into the timeline, when it is imported, you click on the video and duplicate it. After you've duplicated the video, you remove the background. You auto remove the background of the video. Remove BG, auto remove, or you can do custom remove since auto removal is the pro version. That is, you clean out the place you want to be in the video and remove the part you don't want to be in the video. Now, after you've erased it, you come down to this place without selecting it. That is, you come down to the first video. You'll search for background, which is the last one. You click on background, then you click on blur. After you've clicked on blur, you can now check in the intensity of how you want the blur background to be. I would prefer the first one. When you click on the first one, it will not take place immediately. You have to remove the first layer of the video so that the second layer will show, which is the blur part of the video. Then you click on good. You now come to the first video which you removed its background. What you now do is you make it an overlay. After you've overlaid it, you put it and make it to start from the beginning of where the other video started from. And here you can see how you've achieved it. The blur background is seamless. Now that you've learned how to do this on your mobile phone, let me also show you how you can be able to do it on the Capcut PC. Do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified about it. So on Capcut PC, you should have already put your video on the timeline. And yes, this is the video playing. What you do is you click on the video you want to blur its background. Ctrl C, you copy, Ctrl V, you paste it. Now it becomes two. One is an overlay and one is down here. Forget that I put a lot of these videos here. So what you do is you click on the overlay video and then you remove the background. Now the thing with Capcut PC is once it is connected to the internet, this auto removal, it's not a pro version, so it should be free. But for the reason of this video, I'll just click on pro. I'll just click on auto removal. So while the background is going out, what you do is you come to effects, you click on effects. Now if it is your first time of coming to the effects, you can go down to lens so that you'll be able to see all the lens effect that you can use. But since it's something I'm already using, immediately I click on the effect panel, the blur comes out. So you drag the blur, you click on it, you left click and hold it, and then drag it into the video you want it to be on. I put it into it. You can see the intensity. I can increase the intensity or I can decrease the intensity to suit what I want to do. So mainly I usually leave mine at 13, from 13 to 15 intensity, but yeah, let me just leave it at 15. And after this, I can just quickly play my video and you can see the blur background has been added to the video. Then after that, I can now add up my color grading for the video. That is color grading for the video if I'm to put it. So yep, that should be all for the video. You can see with the color grade and the edits and everything, the video is cool. It's cool as you've learned how to do this on your mobile phone and on Capcut PC. And yes, you can start creating your content and make it look more like you're using a professional camera to shoot your videos. I hope this helped, and yeah, do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified about it. And yeah, what else? I'll see you in my next video. Peace.